Right, so here we are, Lever, a coin that hasn't been making any move at the moment to the upside. And I talked about the reversal wave, the possible reversal wave for Lever coin, which is going to be down here at the 0.001850. And so far, it seems like that can be actually be true. But what I'm going to do is bring this support level which we're still holding, right? So ever since you've went down like this, you hold the support one time, you went up like this, second time you went up like this, for the third time. But let me give you this flash or a heads up right now, because I do think you might be putting in a descending triangle right there, and the apex for this descending triangle actually comes by 5th of August in the next 4 days. So what's going to happen in the next 4 days is that you're looking for this technical target from there to there, and if you do drop, you're coming down to this level, which I do expect that it needs a retracement down to that level, perhaps because it has been overextended. You've put in a descending triangle, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so if I do actually remove all these drawings that is not needed right now, that's the level that I'm looking for. 4 more days to know where you're gonna go. And if you do break to the upside, then my friend, you're gonna be looking for lever to actually pop to 3644. It's all about the direction of the breakout. So to the upside, to the downside, that's your technical target. To the upside, you go back to where you formed the descending triangle, and it can actually even go up. So be careful in here. I'm not saying it's necessarily gonna go down. Just wait for the break, wait for the retest, and then we're going to understand where the hell this thing takes, right? So that's it for this level. Very quick one in here. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be bond.